In this part, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom footer using a template. Let's jump into the template section in the WordPress dashboard and create a new footer template. First, let's go into the settings tab for the template. This is where we define the basic footer behavior. You've got 4 options here: default, fixed, sliding, and stick to bottom. Choose whichever works best for your layout. Now, let's get back to building. I will start by adding a section with 3 wraps: left, center, and right. In the left wrap, I will add 5 social icons. Right now, the icon is invisible, and that's because it's white on a white background. Let's fix that by giving the section a blue background color. Perfect. Now that the icon is visible, I will add a placeholder as a link for now, but you will want to replace that with real links to your social media profiles. Let's move on to styling the icon. Change the size, set a different hover color, and remove the default bottom margin, since I want to control vertical spacing at the footer level, not per element. Once the icon looks good, I will duplicate it 4 more times and swap out the icons for different platforms. Now, in the middle wrap, I will insert a logo. I want it to be centered across the page, so I will adjust the wrap's alignment accordingly. In the right wrap, let's add a plain text element with the copyright text. Notice I'm using a shortcode that says year. To make it work correctly and display the current year on the front end, we need to enable the shortcode parser. Once that's turned on, it will automatically show the current year. I will also vertically align all 3 wraps so everything is nicely balanced. Now, let's take a look at the mobile view. I want to do a little trick here. I would like to change the order of the containers so that the logo appears first, followed by the social icons and copyright text. To do this, go to the Advanced Positioning in each wrap and set the order value. Just assign numbers to each one in the sequence you want. For example, I will set the logo to 1, socials to 2, and copyright to 3. Done! And just like that, I've got a fully custom footer. Clean, flexible, and fully responsive. See you in the next video.